It's an amazing day out here at Outlaw Drift. We are here at Stockton, San Joaquin County Fairgrounds. Mike out here giving the truck too much sauce. So we got quite a few FCs out here. Taco, he's there. Jeff, Brian, Jaylen right there. So it's a cool day. There's a lot going on. Sun is bright, clouds are gone, and it's a good day at Drift.
I'm trying to get up out of there.
Look at your wheels. You can see ground under your tires?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, put these gloves on so your hands don't get dirty. Then you're dealing with dirty ass hands touching the wheels and all that other stuff.
Yes. Not like this one.
Yeah, it's a 19. All right, Jaylen just changed his first set. This is what he was drifting on, so that was out of here, both of them. But now he's got the Falcons on the back. Should be a little bit more grip. He was getting a little bit more aggressive on his entry, so this should work out better.
I was really trying to run away from Mike like the whole time.
That's good.
I was
Yeah. No, that's good. But the way you were launching, huh? Yeah, but then eventually that spool got needle. But nah, good run. Yeah.
Just keep going.
Yeah.
It's Jeff's daughter. She drives too. Matter of fact, you should take the car from your dad at lunch. All right, yeah. Our kids both drive, so we're just out here having a good damn time. And this is cool. I have not driven it all. This is all Jaylen, so he's making it happen. You can take it back over there. You can go over there. They got everything to check it. Shit. his own girl. So yeah, I'm just having a good time watching. I'm staffing, letting Jaylen drive with his uncle. Mike chased him a few times, and that was just what Jaylen needed, because he was over here doing the flim flam. Hey, is that GoPro still running? Okay. And see, Savannah knows rotaries, like Jeff taught her as much as he knows. So it's really cool that, you know, she's in the mix. she could teach Jaylen a ton of shit about it. And like Jaylen was just having some struggles starting the car, and she's like, man, floor that fucker, and then, you know, do the thing. So she knows like as much as she can know from a father that builds them, you know what I mean? Day has been completed. Jaylen loaded it all up on his own. He did his thing, had some fun. Car's good. He got comfortable with doing uncomfortable stuff. It's actually really cool that you put him in a pressurized situation and he came out on top, making good decisions.
You know, typically in real life scenarios, if you held up.
Yeah.
It was just spinning.
The Falcons had way more grip than you thought, huh?
Too much. It was so much forward bite.
You said what?
It had more forward bite than I expected.
Yeah.
I got on throttle and just.
Yeah.
And then
Those are just, yeah, burn some.
Are you vlogging?
Kind of.
I'm gonna yell at my daughter for taking my headphones. Why do you take my headphones?
Because
You can get your own headphones.
don't take my headphones.